Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So the price has pushed a little higher since the last update and held a higher low, but we don't really have an upside breakout or so. So it doesn't really look like a third wave is unfolding, but that could change quickly. I mean, as I said to you in the previous video, the support levels haven't even been reached. So while there is a three-wave move to the downside, which is technically complete, I'm unsure if this is really a wave 2. It could be, but I think it is a very optimistic perspective. So quick reminder that on this smaller time frame, we're tracking a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave pullback. But it's too small to be a reliable wave 2. So I will not be surprised if we're forming a larger ABC. I think that is very likely. The thing is, there is no sign yet that we're breaking below the previous low. So if we take out this swing low from Wednesday at $201.50 roughly, that would be our confirmation that we're heading down into that support area. And again, the first one is located between 168.15 and 195.19. There are 4 Fibonacci levels: 195.19, 186.87, 178.90 and 168.15 for this wave 2. So A, B, C. Okay. Very important to understand. I mean, I'm labeling it as complete, but I would say to really believe that this third wave is unfolding, I want to see a break above $226, which is the swing high that formed on Tuesday. The problem is with this wave 2, I mean, for anybody who's not so familiar with Elliott wave, a wave 2 should normally be somewhat deep, at least healthy, and should give us at least some kind of an ABC structure that reaches, I would say, at least a 38.2 retracement. I mean, if it doesn't reach that level, I've seen wave 2s before that are shallow, especially in a bullish environment. We have a bullish environment, but I'm not sure if is it that bullish. I mean, we would need to see a breakout to the upside, need to see a signal. It depends on if you believe that this is a shallow wave 2 or not. I don't fully believe it, but I can tell you sometimes, especially when the markets flip bullish, pullbacks can be extremely shallow. We've seen it before. So it's either we're breaking out to the upside, then it could really be a surge in a third wave rally that might take us into the high $200 region, maybe even $300, because a third wave is typically the strongest wave in a cycle. So Elliott wave tells us here the next rally could be significant. But normally the more likely scenario would be to get a larger wave 2. In this case, the price should hold $168. Then the third wave could happen a little later. Wave 2 would just be a bit deeper. We need to look at the structure closely because it could also turn into a wave 4 in yellow, which will be difficult to distinguish from the wave 2. It will depend a little bit on the look of it, but ABC would be nice as a wave 2. I guess if this is turning into a larger A wave, then it's forming a B wave, then a C wave, then it's the yellow count. But that would be a more substantial correction because it would most likely look a little bit more like that wave 2 that happened between August and September. So it would take several weeks. Yeah. So it needs to be a similar length, duration. I think that covers it. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. I know a lot of people asked for render updates. I uploaded a render video earlier today on X. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.